Alright, so I got this Outfeed table, and it's just got to go. It's a little too big, and I want to optimize the storage on it. I actually have an x-carve that I'm going to put underneath with some 4-foot drawer slides so I can slide it out, use it, and put it away. Alright, first thing to do is to take this one apart. I'm going to reuse a bunch of this wood. So, the fun part. Here it is. It's not the prettiest, doesn't need to be. It's made out of the materials I had, and I used the old one. But I did put a 5x5 sheet on top. So here it is. And overall, it holds my my CNC, which is what I needed. I guess it could run while it's underneath, like inside of here, but then it wouldn't have the dust collection hooked up. So pull it out when I need it, put it away when I don't. It says these drawers were rated for 300 pounds, but I don't think they are because they are really sagging. So I'm going to put like maybe a drop leg on there or something like that. Until then, let's just sit on a bucket.